What's up, fam? Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this AI Love piece, and it is a bowl. Now, I did do this one time before on this channel, and I'm gonna do this one again because this one is different, and I'm like, ooh. So it's perfect for ramen noodles and making your stuff, and this is also microwave safe. So I absolutely love the box. The fact that it says AI Love piece with the heart, I thought that was really cute. It does say, embrace each day with optimism. Gotta like that. It also says, cherish nature's beauty and strength, bonds with loved ones, as we fill our hearts with the hope and warmth that rejuvenation brings. So I just thought that was cute, and I like what they stand for. Love, peace. Okay, we all need that in this world. So right now I'm just going ahead and unwrapping this. And so this is the unit right here. This is what it's looking like. You've got chopsticks is what it looks like right there. A spoon and a fork. And then you've even got this little flip lid right here for excess drainage. Let's say you had ice in the bottom. You wanted to keep something cool down there, and now it's water. There you go. So that's good drainage to pour your stuff out, and I like that. So also right here on this side is where you would open it up. And the forks and spoons are the cutest things because they slide up and down and they become legit forks, real size forks. So if you want to use it like this, or let's say you have a kid and you want them to eat it like this, that's fine. But then you can also pull this and snap it up into place right here, and you'll have a regular size fork. It also snaps back down into place as well. So we've got that. Like I said, we've got our chopsticks for your noodle eaters. Don't get me lying on how to use these, but I feel like this has something to do with it, and I'm probably doing something wrong. But those are really cute. Now I'm gonna have to learn how to use chopsticks. And then of course you have your spoon, which does the exact same thing. You just gotta pop it out from the bottom, and then it extends as well. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. There we go. And now you can see the bottom. It's nicely secured, nicely lined with this rubber insulation is what I will call it, so that it's like nothing spilling, nothing coming through. Right in here, you have little instructions and stuff of that nature, which I love because it'll tell you what to do, how to use them, and all that good jazz. It's looking like you might be able to extend the chopsticks as well. And there you have it, a nice bowl that you can definitely put in the microwave. I love the handle. And plus, when I put this in the microwave and I pulled it out, it was not hot to touch at all. So that concludes this microwave set piece that I wanted to show you guys. Super durable, absolutely here for it. Very hard, heavy duty plastic, and I love it. You could take this anywhere, picnics, lunch, brunch, dinner, you name it. Y'all wanna have a little outing, you know what I'm saying? Or you wanna go to the party, the barbecue, and grab yourself a little take home? Here you go, right here. So I hope this helped, and I will see you guys in my next review. Make sure you like this video and follow your girl on her Amazon storefront, honey. Until next time, bye.